no one's perfect. We're all trying our best to serve Krishna. And we're trying to encourage each other to do better and do more. So we're discussing this subject of regulation. And very, very few people are regulated, but the most successful people are highly regulated. My guru was very regulated also. So try. It's a reminder to everyone. The question is a reminder to everyone to get regulated. That's why people have regular jobs. If you don't have a job and your only job is sadhana, you can tend to get a little lazier, like lackadaisical. Someone has to tell you, like someone has to say, okay, look, and no matter what happens, get up 1 hour before sunrise, get out of bed, just get out of bed. So someone tells you, get 1 hour before sunrise, get out of bed. So then you think, oh, what time is sunrise? 7:05. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. Oh, Guru Maharaj said get out. I better throw the cover. I'm out. Someone told me that. They said, when are you getting up? It was like in the middle of the winter. I said, around 6. Sunrise is 7:30. So no, 5 o'clock. You take rest at 10, and at 5 o'clock, no matter what, you get out. Someone told me. So I heavily told me. So I said, okay. I hear this voice, I look at it, it's 5 o'clock. And as soon as I see the clock, it's 5 o'clock. I hear this voice, get out. So I throw the cover. So you have to create a higher voice. You have to have a higher voice in yourself. A voice of self-improvement. It's fun. It's kind of fun to use this body like an instrument to improve ourselves and improve our condition. It's like there's a higher self and a lower self. The higher self is, like they say, the devil made me do it. They have a phrase in English, the devil means a bad guy. I didn't want to do it, but I did it. So that means you succumb to Rajagun and Tamagun. Because the modes of nature are always competing for supremacy. Sometimes Sattva is there, Raja. When we sleep, we're all on Tamagun, most everybody. And then we get up, we're moving fast, then we're in Rajagun. And we sit down, chant japa, we're in Sattvagun. Then we start to fall asleep, we're in Tamagun. So the modes are always coming to take over control. So that's our life. Sometimes we get in these ruts where it's just like really tamasic, and we have to put the brakes on, slow the car, you're going to change course, turn a new leaf, make a new schedule. Like making schedules and trying to follow them is very good. I once made a statement, 1,000 schedules made, 1,000 schedules broken. and that goes, life goes like that. And then 1,001 schedules made, and maybe you don't break.
One more time, try again.
Yeah, that's the phrase. Try again. It goes in this life. We'll do that, and we'll do lifetimes. We'll do that. We try in this lifetime. We get 10% Krishna consciousness. We try next life, we get 20%. It goes like that.